Hello everyone, this is my review of the 20-volt lithium battery charger for Porter-Cable. This charger has a LED indicator to let you know the status of the battery when you're charging it. You can mount this charger on the wall if you so choose to. The battery, it's like I said, a 20-volt battery, and charges. Um, Uh, Let me plug it in and show you it charging up so you can see the indicator, see the lights there. And this battery is, I guess, fully charged because it's turned green. This is a pretty good charger for these batteries, and I hope this review helps.